Today we're going to do a demo of the Support Log Assistant self-service tool. This tool analyzes text files, such as logs, traces, or configuration files, automatically within your browser. It then suggests solutions to any known issues that are found and highlights any important details that are detected. To get started, we simply click this Add Files button or drag any files we want into this section over here. I'm going to click Add Files and choose several files from a directory on my machine. We also support zip files, so if I wanted to, I could select this zip file and it would also scan the files within there. When I click Open, at this point the tool will do its best to identify all the files that you had selected. It shows you here the file types that were detected, and in these different sections it tells you whether the files are eligible for a scan or not. We can't analyze every type of file, so we do give you feedback here as to which files we will be scanning. The next step is to scan these files using this option down here. We click the Scan Files button, and at this point it takes those files that were eligible for a scan, it downloads the rules from our database at SAP, and starts scanning those files directly within your browser. Now it's important to note these files are not sent to SAP, this is all happening locally on your machine. When the scan is complete, it shows you any alerts that were detected. In this case we have 2 medium priority alerts, and it gives us the title and a brief description of them here. We can find the solution to the right here, and when clicking on that, it will open it in a new tab for us at the top. This will give us an overview of the symptom, the known causes, and most importantly, any resolutions. Going back to the tool, we can drill in on these alerts even further by clicking on the body of the alert itself. Here we can find important information like which files this issue was detected in, and we can even see the lines within that file and how they relate to this alert itself. When I close that, I also have a Files tab up at the top, as well as additional details. Going to the File view, this just shows me a breakdown of which files were scanned and which ones contained alerts and lines flagged. The additional details gives me an overview of any important lines that were found within here. The ones that have this alert icon were related to the alerts that we found. These other ones are just supplemental information that might be useful for troubleshooting different types of issues. Once I've taken a look at these details, I can click this View Summary to just get a quick overview of my session. Here we can see the same alerts that we saw back on the Alerts tab, and we also have some other options such as downloading a PDF version of this analysis report, creating an archive that contains that report as well as the log files we've selected, or contacting support for some help. We can also give feedback on whether this session was successful or not, and even give more information about our experience using this tool. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team. Thank you.